Hey there! So you're almost done with your 14 days, but with our system, you don't really have expiration of your trial. This is because we know that the project might take a lot longer than 14 days. So you can play around and build your pages, funnels, websites for as long as you need. After 14 days, your just pages will not be visible for the public. But you can preview, you can test out everything and create the best thing for your business. And I just want to discuss the few things that are, in my opinion, so key when you try to build something online. I know it's a struggle, especially if it's your first time building something like that. So there is two things that are so key when you try to promote your business, your services, your products online. And basically that is identifying your target market. So who is exactly your audience? And this is actually more than 60% of businesses fail exactly because they do not identify very well who is their target market, and they cannot address it, the product that they have. So basically the lack of demand of a product, purely in many cases because they cannot just identify their target market and they cannot get to them. So identify that customer and create a profile. You can find some information about that with the links below this video about identifying your ideal customer. And when you know that customer, that will solve so many problems and wondering, because after that you know exactly what they need and how you can approach them and what you have to have on your pages. And that's the other thing. Build it with a goal in mind. So when you build your pages, no matter what kind of a business it is, you can start with something small, like a beautiful landing page with a small funnel, basically a landing page with a form, for example, if you're lead generation, whatever the business is, to get some people to interact and you can follow up with them about the sale. If you're sending some product, the funnels again are so perfect for that, because you can promote a product, you can send targeted profile of customers, targeted customers on that when you identify the profile, and you can see actual leads coming to your business, actual sales coming to your business. You don't have to build like a 100-page website or something like that. Start something small and you can build on top of that later on. But yeah, focus your pages on one goal and make sure that your texts are very clear, that you talk about benefits when you build your pages, because this is how is the mentality of the psychology of a person who's looking for a solution. So they looking for the benefits, something that will solve their problems. So talk about the benefits, and be very clear on what you have. Be transparent, and always connect with your customers. So some way of connecting with you is such a key way to have to just ask questions or whatever it is. So let's go inside the platform again. Just a few things that I want to show you just to finish up. Again, just if you're building a website, make sure that your navigation is very clear, and it's super simple to modify everything and start with the way you want. This is a kind of crowded header with a lot of things such as logo, navigation, call to actions, cards. So you can have something simple if your website is not that doesn't have so many things. Focus on your headlines, make them appealing, because if a visitor comes to your page, if they don't find in the first 5-10 minutes, seconds, if they don't see exactly what they're looking for, as in terms of text and what you're doing, they will probably leave your page. So make sure that you have that you have nice imagery, that you don't have too much text on your pages, because if you have too much text, this is not a blog post. If you want to have saying a lot of things, better write a blog post and send people there. But for your pages, it is good to have as much information as compact as possible, in a simple, compact way to be shown. Talk about the benefits of the product, not so much about the product itself. Obviously, you can have a dedicated page more on that, but basically the benefits is what is selling a product. Really nice call to actions, nice imagery, and be consistent with your design. Testimonials are important. It really depends on what kind of business you have, but basically for any business, they are so key to. When somebody is looking for a service, they always look for reviews and how other people have interacted with that service, product, whatever it is. And if you're selling something, the sales funnels are so amazing. You can set up obviously a store, but the sales funnel, it really generates so much for your business. So test out the funnels. I think they're really amazing. We have amazing videos again that you can check out specifically for sales funnel, for lead generation, and for like less than 20 minutes you can set up a whole funnel with all the products that you want to sell, with connecting a payment processor, shipping methods and everything, and basically you can connect the domain and start promoting. And yeah, it is so simple, and we've made it especially for you to get results. So if you haven't played around too much with it, just spend some time, watch some videos, get inside and just test it out yourself. It's really simple once you get used to it. And if you have any questions, you're still wondering what exactly you need for your business, don't worry. You can, if you haven't yet, just click on the link below again. We have you can schedule a 15-minute coaching session with me. We can discuss your business and see what's the best for you, so you get the right funnel, the right website, the right pages to get your business to wherever you want it to be. So this is from me. I hope that you at least try the system a little bit, and yeah, looking forward to your questions, and I hope that you enjoy all the videos and materials, and yeah, speak soon with you.